Today in Seabird Island, we're out here supporting Learning on the Land Wednesdays, where students from both schools participate in outside learning and have been incorporating a lot of FireSmart education within their Learning of the Land Wednesday. They're getting an opportunity to mitigate some blackberry and learning a little bit about structure protection. I hope the students can take away a little bit of FireSmart education for themselves. Doing some mitigation on the blackberry bushes has been really important and insightful for the students to be able to see what it means to do mitigation around a community and be able to bring that back home to their families.
I found the FireSmart really interesting because it was really hands-on. It was really connected with land. So with our land-based program, we're really trying to help the kids be connected to land. Practically, for students, climate change can be really this big, scary piece, and it was a way that they actually have ownership and control over something, and they can give back to the community in a really practical way. The response from the kids has been really positive. What FireSmart does is really give them like, okay, but we can control this. We can do something here in this moment that is really practical and really hands-on, and that it's not as scary. So kind of the behind the scenes is actually really a lowering of anxiety and a feeling that you are part of the solution. I think what FireSmart has done is given them an opportunity to do something outside of the classroom that they don't have otherwise. It's really important for Seabird because we live in a time where we have wildfires, and I feel that anything that can draw our community closer and build on values that we have and connection to land just makes us stronger as a community.
So each Wednesday, the students have 3 different stations. There's a land station, a create station, and a culture station. The land station is when we often do the FireSmart activities. We hope to have all the blackberries removed so we can plant clover and then have a more natural place for the elementary kids to play especially. Also to plant some traditional medicine plants, and then for more fire pits for land-based learning days. The FireSmart program really is taking off and really does allow for a lot more interest and engagement with kids. The kids are more and more excited to be involved in learning different tools to help elders' homes be safe from forest fires.
It's a breath of fresh air having FireSmart here, because that is the proactive step that takes action, and we're not just talking about it. And watching these fires get closer and closer, it really is a real hazard. The ideal world would be for the community to take upon that themselves by watching FireSmart team's leadership, and you could see that. They're buying into the culture, and it's really cool to see.
Education and preparedness have really come together here in Seabird Island. It's starting in the schools and it's working its way out. We have the students, we have the youth, we have elders, we have all community members buying in to the FireSmart program. My hope for the future of Seabird Island and their FireSmart journey is that they will become a true FireSmart community through the hard work, through the mitigation, and through the education, and that it'll carry on for generations to come.